Hey, thank you for clicking on the video today. This is our new Rockwood pop-up camper. And I was going along and I noticed some of the caulk joints looked a little bit deteriorated. It looks like maybe someone went to it with 100% silicone. So I went ahead and I bought some, it's a Dicor product. It's a cap sealant, non-sag. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove this and we're going to put a new bead of this non-sag cap sealant in there. One thing that I did notice is that this is actually clear. I wish it was white. Okay, we're going to start by scraping the old caulk off here. Be gentle. Then we're going to take it. We're going to clean it up as best we can. Got a wet paper towel here. I've seen people use different products for this, and you just got to be careful. You don't want it to leave any solvent behind that could mess with the caulk. But while I'm doing it, I get my fingers right in there and really clean the surface. All right, now that we've cleaned the caulk out and I've thoroughly cleaned it and I've dried it, we are now ready to actually apply the caulk. I worked for a company and this is the only type of caulk that we actually used was this Dicor products. So that's why I trust this brand and that's why I use this brand. But I do know there's other RV sealants out there, but it's really important to note you want to get a sealant that's made for an RV or a camper. You don't want to go to the hardware and just buy silicone caulk. Yeah, I wish that I had went ahead and got a white finish in it, but I can live with it. It's just a camper. We're just gonna drive it around. So it is what it is. But like I say, I really like these products. All right, well, thank you for watching the video today. I'll leave a link in the description of the caulk.